Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a bookmark in Canva. Once on Canva, I want you to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in bookmark. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page and you can see that there are numerous templates that you can choose from. So all you'll need to do is scroll down and you can select any one of these templates, or you can choose to create a blank bookmark. What I would normally do is select from one of the templates. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that you see with the $sign or a crown, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular one. But let's say, for example, this one, we can select it, then tap on customize this template. After you have selected customize this template, you can see how it looks right here. Now, normally I would pull on the slider at the bottom right hand corner so I can get a better view. Then after you have done that, you can customize it to your liking. So for example, if you wanted to change the background image, you could select the entire template. Then from there, you could go over to the left hand menu option and select uploads, and you could upload the image you would want to use. Or you can tap on elements from the top left hand corner. And let's say, for example, I want to change it. So let's say I'm going to change it to a different sky background. So I'm going to select sky. Then we'll select photos. And I'm just going to add this one instead. So I'll drag and place it. As you can see right there, you can either place it like this, then tap on more, then tap on replace background. After you have done that, you can edit the text. So you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on text, and from there you could add a text box, or you can edit the current text by selecting the text. I could change the font style. I can do numerous editing options. So I'm just going to change the color, as you can see right there, and you can add further elements. So let's say I would like to add a dove. I could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on elements. Then from there we could type in dove, for example's sake, then tap on enter. After doing that, you can either select graphics or photos. So I'm going to select graphics, and I'm just going to be adding this dove. So I'll drag and place it right there. Then you can zone down on the size and you can place it wherever you want. Once you're finished, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on share. Then you can scroll down, tap on download, and you can select download right here. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.